Y'all, since I've been back from that cruise, I'm into hot weather food. I mean, it's starting to heat up, and I want some quick, easy go to meals that don't require you sweating in your kitchen over what you're going to serve for dinner or lunch. So, this one's real simple, y'all. I've got a half a cup of white wine vinegar. Let's see, that was a fourth of a cup of sugar. And how much olive oil? Just a fourth of a cup, just like the sugar. Sometimes my memory leaves me. All right, I'm going to take my whisk and just whisk this together. I'd kind of like my sugar to just almost disintegrate. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to put my cucumber, my thin sliced cucumber in, and my Vidalia onions. And I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let it marinate and soak up those flavors for about 2 hours. Yeah. A loaf of French bread. Because we got to get some calories from somewhere, don't we, Eddie? Yum. That's so nice and sweet. Huh? Crab. Yes, the crab is going to be incredible in it. All right. So while we're letting that marinate, I'm going to come over here and chop up some fresh basil. It calls for like 4 large leaves. So if it calls for 4, then 6 ought to be real good, hadn't it, Eddie?
I love basil.
Yes. Oh, this smells incredible. I love to go out in the yard and walk by the basil or the rosemary bush and just hit it. And oh my goodness, the aroma is incredible. How beautiful is this lettuce, Eddie?
Is that butter lettuce?
No, I don't know.
It looks so pale.
I know. Teresa, does our shopping for us. And so I'm not sure. Teresa left earlier. So on our marinade, you can do a minimum of an hour. 2 hours is even better. So it's been a little over an hour. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out. And we're going to add all of our stuff. Give it a stir. Ooh, that Vidalia onion smells so good. All right, so we're going to add our tomatoes. And that's one tomato diced. Some green onions or spring onions. We always called them spring onions, which we love. This is going to be so good. Good and healthy and light. And I'm not one bit hot, y'all. No fire for me. A little salt. A little pepper. All right, let's see, what else do we need? I say we need the crab. And I'm gonna, oh wait, I see a little piece of shell. So you'll just want to make sure that you've picked your crab free of any little pieces of shell. And it's really hard to get out every one of them. You'll think you got it all, and then lo and behold, you don't. And then I'm going to just top it with my basil. Yum. And I've already got my fork out in. I was planning ahead. Delicious. The basil gives it such a nice, fresh flavor. So delicious, y'all. Look at that piece of lump crab. Mm. The last two videos that Eddie and I have shared with y'all is into easy, quick meals. So you can spend time with your family instead of over a hot stove in the hot temperature of the weather. So I hope that y'all try them. I hope you like these quick, easy summer meals. And I'll be back with some more. Love and best dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.